All right, so Matt Pacelli, you're a salesman here at Smail Ford in Greensburg. My big question for you, if somebody's just bought a Ford or maybe thinking about buying a Ford, they're probably wondering what the warranty is, right?
So with Ford, you get a 3-year, 36,000 mile powertrain. It's gonna cover you from your taillights to your headlights, and anything in between electrical, you're covered. And additionally to the bumper to bumper, you get a powertrain warranty. That's gonna cover you for 5 years, 60,000 mile. Anything involved with the transmission, the engine, you're covered that whole time.
Some people may not know about whenever they buy a new Ford vehicle, they also get roadside assistance too, right?
Absolutely, you do get roadside, and that is covered for your 5-year and 60,000 miles as well. Buying a new Ford here at Smail, you're going to get the pickup and delivery service as well. So you're busy that day, we'll come get your car, do your oil change, and we'll bring it back to you. As well as the mobile service is included. For recalls, we'll be able to come to your house, do the recall, and you will never have to come here physically, and we'll come to you.
That's really convenient. You'll even come to people's places at work.
Absolutely, yeah. If you're at work for 8 hours a day, it's convenient. We'll come by your work and do it right in the parking lot. And don't forget, you do get lifetime inspections with the purchase of your vehicle. And if you're in the market for a new Ford, please come see us right off Route 30 in Greensburg or at smailford.com.